the Punong Barangay, Basin Milon.
Good morning at kaway-kaway po tayo sa camera. Live na live tayo sa Brigada News FM.
And live din po tayo sa Radio Station.
Sana all.
And eto ba, kasama din natin ngayong araw na ito ang Local Council ng Barangay Lumakil.
Headed by Punong Barangay Honorable Romeo Argente Wolmatico.
Wow!
Kaway-kaway po tayo sa camera.
And because we believe in youth development, kasama rin ng Barangay Lumakil ang kanilang Sangguniang Kabataan!
Yay! Headed by Honorable Via Sota.
Ayun. And with the Mr. Trending, Rafi Espaldon. Isang game naman dyan!
Hey!
Baka siya. Arroz caldo, arroz caldo.
Approaching in our municipal grounds, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Barangay Council of Barangay Maligol!
With our punong barangay, Marcelo Ormita. And it is a great pleasure to announce ang atong Sangguniang Kabataan Maligo is adjudged as the best Sangguniang Kabataan in South Cotabato! With Jasper Vergara, our SK President.
Congratulations! Kaway-kaway po tayo! And approaching in our municipal grounds, let's welcome Barangay Council of Barangay Magsaysay!
Kauban ang batikan na punong barangay ang nag-iisang MM Labrador!
Kaway-kaway po tayo! Good morning!
And syempre partner, host Jess. Ito naman na ako talagang pinatunayan sa atin na ang tunay na ganda, masking magulan sa adlaw, guwapa lang ihapon.
Natural beauty dyan ang partner. So dapat hindi ka magpayong-payong ha?
Kainin ba?
Let's welcome our second batch of Binibini Phenomenal 2024.
Hello, uy, kagwapa na lang.
Hello! Kaway-kaway tayo! This time, let's welcome in our municipal grounds, the Rosary Club of Polomolo.
Yes! Ayun o, ang ating ka-partners in making difference, the Rotary Club of Bulabulong 101, with my dear friend, si Doc Ben,
Good morning.
si Madam, ayun talagang
Si Ma'am Rayden.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for gracing our opening celebration.
Alright, this time partner, let's welcome our contender ito ng ating drum and light competition.
Official contender on September 10.
Yes!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, napapakitang ilas, the drum and fire of Bentong Sulit National High School.
Yay! Palakpakan natin. Abangan natin sila ngayong September 10 where they are going to compete
Pero
drum and
patikim
fire
pa lang,
competition.
patikim pa lang, energetic na.
Yeah,
Okay ba? Ayun. Ay, nakikita ko yung sarili ko ng blacklet sa punong araw.
Akala ko drummer ka kanina ngayon.
Nag-blacklet ako minsan. Talagang mas gusto ko mas i-ay pa ko sa dangerous.
Wala ba ka nag-chance na
O, talawin mo kaugaling mo nito ikaw dyan ko. Oh, with all the lip gloss and the red lips.
Saan?
May taalan nila. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, performing at the very center of our municipal grounds are the members of the drum line of
Bentong Sulit National High School.
Wow! Press out, chin up. Perfect talaga ate.
Dyan daw ng partner, dapat naka-breast out talaga. excited na mapakita ang performance ng Benson Sulit National High School. Kaya abangan natin sila ngayon sa September 10. This time, approaching our municipal grounds, let's welcome Barangay Council of Barangay Magayuwa!
Headed by the Punong Barangay, Daddy Nograles.
Kaway-kaway naman tayo dyan. Good
At
morning.
syempre, ano ang pinakaguwapa, ang akong Amega, si Panoy! Grabe talaga si Panoy. Aming ako si Congresswoman.
Lagay ko dong Lagay ko.
Let's also welcome the Barangay Council of Barangay Pangkag
With our punong barangay, Avelina Rencio.
Good morning! Kaway-kaway po tayo.
Ay, dinaanikap sa pita sombrero. Ayan, para batang-bata. And with all the bags pa talaga. O, diba?
Good morning po, and this time, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome in our municipal ground, Barangay Council of Barangay Poblacion!
With our punong barangay, Jessie Cheeks Bontuya.
Kaway-kaway tayo dyan!
Kawalay power partner, this is my beloved barangay.
Yes.
Murang ikaw po, di ba?
Ano masasabi mo sa barangay ninyo?
Natin.
Barangay nyo, poblasyon.
Kung bagong ko na sa binibini ko lang. I know. Once again, maraming salamat. I can see familiar faces, my good friends, my beloved Barangay Kagawas, and of course, my very partner in crime, si Barangay Secretary Ma'am Lourdes Teño Besana. And we all have Camp Cheeks, Barangay Kagawad Rex Machan, Barangay Kagawad Londres, and the rest of the Barangay Poblacion. Hinako buong barangay.
Ang dami-dami nila! Kaway-kaway tayo!
Oh, eto pa, ang ating mga friends, si Ma'am Shona, ayan, si Mada Tahana, ayun, no? Ay,
Attendance check, manday dito rin ilaahoy.
Kabanong kapakuan mo kung Barangay Poblacion, VIP treatment.
Wow, sana all.
Siyempre na ako mga auntie.
Auntie. Okay, greet mo, auntie.
Auntie, BNS po na. Naabang ito Chairman Gamueta.
Apa, Joy? Ma-picture siya. Media.
Kung isa-isaw na yung mga forum chairman, kahintay uno ka buo. Ayaw na lang.
Kaway-kaway na lang tayo. Kaway-kaway tayo.
Diba?
Hello, good morning.
Grabe naman. O, napagin si